Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions review of these shoes from Cosy. These shoes have been kindly gifted by the brand, and you have to stay tuned because these are such a new amazing discovery. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me on my socials, it's at Trisha Camille on TikTok. Cosy Island is a brand that specializes in premium knit material for their shoes. They have a variety of shoe styles available from heels to flats to boots, and the brand slogan is comfort without compromise. And I can definitely say that after looking through these shoes initially, when I first looked at them when they were delivered, I can say that these shoes have really good foot padding, and you will see more of that later on. So they sent me 3 shoes to review, and I'm first going to start with this one on top, and this one I believe are the flats. So I did want to really explore the range. So I got one shoe for every style. So I got a pair of flats, I got a pair of sandals, and I got a pair of heels. So you'll see all of those 3 styles that they have in this video. So the first shoe that I got are these Mary Jane square toe single strap. So these are just these flats. And when you open the box, it just comes with this. It has a thank you card with a discount code of 20%. And over here are the shoes. So this is the first pair, and as you can see, they are square-toed, and it's just a pair of Mary Jane flats with a single strap, hence its name. And as you can see, this is in the premium knit material, which I actually really like. It's very thick and comfy. Online, this is listed as a gray color, but in person, it's actually more cream. I think it's called gray because it kind of has some sparkles on the knit material. I'll just do close-up so you can see it, but the knit has some glitter integrated into it, so it actually has that really sparkly look from afar, which I actually really like. And then for the strap, it is actually not operable. It's just a hook that's connected onto there, so it's easy for you to remove the strap and to put it back on. So as you can see, it's just like a one-step thing, and then when you need to put it back, you just put it back in the hook, and you can have it back there as so. So this is very fuss free. And what I like the most about these shoes is that it's actually really comfortable, and that's because of the insole. So as you can see, there's a lot of foot padding inside, and I can tell you that all of the 3 shoes that I got have this kind of padding, and it's really comfy because it makes my foot feel very snug. For the soles, it's a rubber sole, so you don't have to worry about slipping, and it actually makes the shoe great to walk in. These shoes are also very light, so I just know that these are going to make a great everyday shoe. I don't have Mary Janes yet. These are my first pair, and Mary Janes are very popular right now, and especially because I got these in a square toe, I feel like it's such a nice trend, so I'm excited to wear this out. Okay, next are the sandals, and these are the crisscross strap sandals. But before we go on to the sandals, I just want to talk about their slogan, which is comfort without compromise. And over here inside their box, they talk about their mission and vision, which is that they believe that you shouldn't have to compromise between looking good and feeling great. By transforming waste into fashion, we're making a positive impact on the world around us. And on the box, it highlights the 3 elements of their shoes, which that the premium knit is made from plastic bags. They offer pillow-like arch support for the footbed, and they have mousse-like knitted fabric. So all of their shoes, as I mentioned earlier, are all made from the same material, which is the premium knitted fabric. And now we go on to the next shoe, which are the sandals. So this is how the shoes came in. They're very properly packaged, even with their own little dust bag, and as you can see, very well presented, just so it won't deform from shipping. And this is the shoe. So these are the sandals. These are called the crisscross strap square-toed sandals. And guys, judging by the quality of these, I can definitely say that they are of really good material because it has some weight to it, especially the heel. So the heel definitely feels high quality. It's not a light plastic that's flimsy. It has some weight, and it definitely feels very durable for walking. Similar to the flat shoes earlier, these are made with the premium knit material for the straps, and onto the side strap, that's the only time that they use synthetic leather. And for the sole, as you can see, and I'll just do close-ups again, they still retain that padded sole, which I really like. And I already tried these on and they are definitely comfortable. The material they use for the sole is definitely soft, so I just know that walking will be a breeze in these. I also really like the square toe. I feel like it's very trendy, as well as the little heel at the back. So I don't really wear heels that much anymore, but I wanted a fun, trendy pair. So I got these little kitten heels that are definitely very trendy. You don't see these types of heels much. And I know I'm still gonna be able to wear them despite it being heels because it's just such a small height, very walkable, and I know my feet will definitely not hurt with this little heel. I really like these sandals because even if I know they're trendy, because of the good quality materials, I know that this is something I can wear for a long time. And I just really love how fun they made this shoe with a square toe and the crisscross straps. They made a comfortable shoe, and usually comfortable shoes are boring and basic, but for this one, it's actually a really fun looking shoe, so I'm really excited for that. These ones I feel just really make your legs look so sexy, and I definitely think that this is such a fun pair to have. These are also, by the way, on sale on their website. I think it's 50% off right now. So I think from 5,000 pesos, it's only around like 2,800. And you can even use my discount code for additional discount, which I'll be revealing at the end of this video, so stay till the end for that. And finally, for the last pair, and these are the heels. These are the gray slit pointed toe heels, or pointed toe mule heels. And sorry because I ripped that part out when I removed the sticker, but these are the shoes, and as you can see, they are in a very beautiful true red color, like my shirt. So these are the gray slit pointed toe mules, and these are actually Cosy Island's bestseller. Well, one of their bestsellers, and I can definitely see why. Because look at it, it's such a beautiful, sexy heel and still with a premium knit, as you can see. So these are definitely very comfortable. These are a little higher than the sandals. These are probably like 70 millimeters. And these specific ones that I got are in the wide fit because the gray slit heels also come in like a standard size. And they also have the Comfort Pro line, which is a little bit more padded. I think this one is just the regular soft padding. But for the Comfort Pro ones, basically the same design but a little more padding for the sole. So these ones, as you can see, these are just very beautiful, and I tried them on and they actually make my feet look very sexy as well, and it's because of the mule type design. These shoes definitely elongate your legs because of the pointed toe and because it's a mule. Cosy Island has a bunch of colors for these mules, but my shoes tend to be really basic. I tend to have like really neutral colors for my shoes. So for these mules, I wanted to be adventurous and I wanted to try a pop of color just so I have something more unique and eye-catching in my collection. And I think these definitely fit that description. These are honestly so comfy. I love that it's a knitted design because it definitely molds to your foot. My feet are kind of wide, hence I got the wide option, but even if it's a wide fit, it still perfectly molds to your foot because of the knit. And also, since it's a premium knit material, it's very breathable, so your feet aren't restricted inside. These shoes I definitely love. It's such a vibe. It's something that I can see myself wearing out a lot for like special occasions, for like dinner events and things like that without compromising comfort. So if I have a special event where I want my shoes to stand out and I need to be comfortable for that day, I know that these are definitely going to be the shoes that I will be bringing out. So that's about all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These shoes are definitely comfy pairs that I'm so excited to wear out soon. To end this video, I do have a discount code for you guys from Cosy Island. You can get 10% off any of your purchase by using my discount code YT10 Trisha. I hope you're able to secure your pair, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!